Capricorn, Capricorn, Capricorn. Oops, sorry. Tinamaan yung aking microphone. So, magandang araw po. Welcome to Scorp's Work Tarot. Knock, 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 Capricorn. So, August 22 to 31 yung ating reading. August 22 to 31, Capricorn. Tignan natin. Sorry. Another weekend. So, like any other OFW, weekend ko po ginagawa yung aking reading. So, I just want to reconnect sa mga kapatid nating OFW na katulad ko rin ay nakikibaka. Alam ko yan. I know how it feels. So, Capricorn, tignan natin. Hope everybody is doing well. Sunday sa aking location ngayon. I'm here in Indonesia, so if everybody is interested. So, kung nasa man tayong parte ng daigdig, so relax lang po tayo. Sunday, it's chores, household chores. Correct? So, working so hard again. Ang daming talagang sub-sub sa trabaho. Ang dami kong nakikitang sub-sub sa trabaho. Alam natin yan. Ano kaya ang dahilan niyan? Ito yung energy na nakita ko sa, it's not only you Capricorn. Okay, you know yung, alam mo yung mundane, it's boring. Boring talaga. Boring yung routine na ginagawa natin, correct? But that's how it is. Pero alam mo yung, discipline na yan. You have to do it. I have to do it as well, like anybody else. So wag kang mag-complain. And this man, who is a farmer, he keeps on repeating and repeating the cycle. That's how it is. And this is very realistic. Hindi mo yung matatakasan. Work hard. That's how we it's about connecting also. You have your it's about fighting as well. You fight on what you believe in, otherwise you're not gonna do it. Okay, Capricorn, so ano yung iniisip mo na kailangan mo ng bagong perspective? Nag-pause si Capricorn. Nag-pause ka, pause dahil sa gusto mong nagko-contemplate ka na baka merong magandang pagkakakitaan, or gusto mo naman lumipat ng ibang trabaho, or anong dynamics yan sa relationship, or puro ka na lang ba ganito na lang ang gagawin mo? Correct? Dumating ka sa situation na ulit na I know this energy. How many times I've been through this type of ano ba ang gagawin ko? What's next? Okay? So, I think sometimes if I see this energy of Seven of Pentacles, we need to do something out of that because it's stressful, because you know that you've been providing for your family and you're the sole breadwinner, and that makes the dynamics of the family whole. Yeah, you're doing that for a better, higher purpose. Kung ano man ito, community. Kung ito yung kung matitinong politician na they have a purpose. Hindi siya corrupt. Mga ganyan tipo. Okay, and you're doing that very ethically and professionally. So you just keep on thriving. You thrive on what you're doing. That's what it says here. Okay, tignan natin. Pero nagkaroon ka ng pause mode. Pause. Tignan natin. Capricorn, August 22 to 31. August 22 to 31, Capricorn. Tignan natin yung lifeline niya. So ano po ba ang mga activity ng mga OFW ngayon? So ako ay katatapos ko lang ng laundry. Yes, so that makes me pause for a while. Laundry. Tignan natin. August 22 to 31. Medyo inaantok yata si Capricorn. Maraming trabaho last week. Yeah, ako maraming trabaho rin last week. I've been working late. Kaya itong aking tarot is for me to just do something different. Capricorn, August 22 to 31. So, meron bang ganyan sa storyboard mo ngayon, Capricorn? You grounded na grounded ka eh. A lot of people are being grounded by something. Ano kaya yung what causes that and yung reset mode, meaning a lot of na burn out ka, a lot of people na burn out yata ngayon. For me, that energy is good in a way because you have a lot of work and you have a job that makes you whole as a person. That's your identity. And you've been doing that for a long time as well. You know your purpose. You have this grand dream. It all started very small. Pero yung childhood-like of mentality, because ito yung tipo na ngayon successful engineer ka na. Because you work for that one. Kung ano man yung negosyo na itinayo mo or simpleng side hustle, and you've been doing that for a while, pero nagkaroon ka ng pause dito and you managed to get what you want there. Again, yung level of your happiness natin relative. Okay? What is having more is different from other people. So, Capricorn, yan ba yun? Kumbaga sa yung farm mo lumaki na yung farm mo for a small dati. Alam mo yung mga hydroponic farming ngayon. I just give it an example. So it's not that easy because not everybody is into that type of business. Medyo mabusisi. But it all started on a small, okay, you undergo transformation. If not because of this transformation, you wouldn't achieve this type of present situation. Or, okay, I can see something different here. You are on the status quo. You are on the status quo, and you are trying to move to a different direction. This is the hangman mode here. Ito yung dream na you want to make it big or even better. Tama ba? I don't see anything about relationship. That's the energy surrounding you. It's all about you, and you know on the inside that for you, that's something that you want to develop. You want to develop. You have that ability na you have done it. Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn? Why am I saying Sagittarius? Or meron kang kaibigan or close to you who is a Sagittarius sign? So Capricorn. Yeah, this is for Capricorn. Tama ba, Capricorn? Meron bang ganyan? You're undergoing transformation. Let's see kung ano itong transformation. Are you trying to avoid it to happen? It can work several ways, okay? You want it. Some people doesn't want it. This is a very painful, the rebirth. Because we always, alam mo yung tipong, remember technology, wala yan previously. Okay, and then all of a sudden, it transformed the way people and consumer behaves. And not everybody is ready for that. Ganun ba yan, Capricorn? You are not ready? Tignan natin. 22 to 31 of August. Capricorn, tignan natin. You are not ready. You are on the hangman mode. Although alam, kasi ano na status ko, yan ang minsan ang problema. I don't think it's a problem because again, not everybody wants to change. You're happy with the status quo, with the situation right now, and you just want to keep growing your pentacle the way you want it to be done. Pero there are situation na actually it's working. So why do you need to transform? There's a new offer coming in. Kung sa trabaho ito ito yung movement na you can't deny it. This is what the universe is telling you. That's why you are on this pause mode. Hindi ito experience wise, I don't even recommend to be on this hangman energy if there's a huge transformation, that there's a huge shift here. What a good example. Okay, yung company na benta and new way of processes, so you need to adapt. That's what it means. So there was a status quo. You're happy. You found your mojo. You're in a lot of new beginning. A lot of chapter is opening to you. This is sana all type of energy. Pero what keeping you on that hanging mode? Ano ka? What is the proper way? Nag-ano ka? Wishy-washy. Is there a wishy-washy here? Indecisive. When you do a hanging mode, you are you are searching for your answer for yourself. Kaya yung sinasabi niya is look, how do you call it? View it on a different perspective, not on your own perspective, but the looking inside out or outside in. That would give you a different perspective. Yan yung tipo. Okay? Meron bang ganyan, Capricorn, ka ngayon sa situation? Tingnan natin yung makikchismis pa tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung dahilan noong bakit ka hangman, nagbitin ka. You are on the status quo of having a lot of new things, new project, new promotion, and everything. Yan yung energy na yan. More money, but you are contented with what you have now. Kasi nga relative ang ano na yan eh. And you just want to follow the tradition. You need to follow what is the norm and the standard. Typical mga doktor, inhinyero na you cannot change. Ang building code is like that. So bawal ang bahay na 2 floors. Dapat hindi mas mataas. Kamukha dito sa one location dito sa Indonesia, you cannot build a house higher than the coconut tree. And that's the norm. And that norm can be sometimes restrictive. Tama ba? Kumbaga sa relationship sabi ng magulang mo dapat meron ka ng asawa at anak at pamilya or bahay kasi matanda ka na. That's the norm and of the tradition. Pero hindi naman dapat, I mean, it can be stifling, but sometimes this kind of expectation, yun nga, it restricts you, and that makes you pause for a while. It makes you pause for a while. Meron ba ganyan, Capricorn? Ano ba yan? I don't see anything about relationship or nakaka-apekto ka na nai-influensyan ka. You're a very pragmatic person also have seeing this the Hierophant here. The Hierophant is the rules, the tradition. Ayan siya, oh, yung pillar of success. You cannot have it by just achieving it. It's a steps that you have to take. Yung ladder. Bago ka makapunta ng grade 7, dapat dumaan ka sa grade 6. Even accelerated. But you still have to do the testing. Ika nga. Agree? So that you know that Capricorn. Pero bakit ka nakapos? Bakit ka nakapos? Bakit nakapos si Capricorn? Tignan natin, August 22 to 31. Ano ba ang sinasabi ng universe? Bakit, or yun na talaga ang sabi sa'yo ng universe, you have to pause for a while and do some introspection. I want to see if I can get the Hierophant here. Sorry, I do have the Hierophant, the Hermit. Yes, August 22 to 31. I just want to get the card na ibibigay. Hindi ko pipick a pen. Okay, there was Snaky. Oh, definitely everybody's looking for the sun. You just need to rest, and you made some mistake along the way. You made some mistake along the way, and you don't want to repeat itself again. Okay, I think I saw this. Okay, I know this. Okay, there was no even a heartache here. Walang emotion ito, Capricorn. You were not given the chance to see it before your way. I think you're following somebody else's perspective, and you are sidetracked. Ayan siya, oh. The woman, kung ikaw ito, you don't have the visibility. You just follow whatever being dictated to you. And now you want to be on your own terms. You're no longer the puppet. I can see here. You see here, oh. Yeah, that's the puppet. Ito yung tipong yes sir. But it's time for you to stand on your own power. You've been not betrayed, played. Meron bang ganyan? O ikaw ito? You've been following the rules. You've been following the rules, everything by the book. And you've been played. You've been played. Is there a mind game here? So that's why you're looking for the transformation. And that would definitely bring you to that light. Ayan siya, oh, there's no light. You just want to see the light. Kung ano man yung light na hinahanap mo. Light is the truth. Whatever your definition of truth and light. So you need this major arcana here just says it all. I will put it this way. This started from the devil. Okay, this one is ano to, panabla ito. That's the effect. That's the effect. The betrayal and yes. Okay, this is the panabla. The Seven of Swords. Something happened here. That's why you got sidetracked. You got sidetracked and you pause. You want to reconnect with your inner self again. So you've been a victim. I don't want to say victim, or it can be you also play the games. You didn't play the game well. You did follow the book, or sila yung following the book and you're not. Okay, so it's up to how you it resonates to you, Capricorn. So that's why You just reached the stage of you had enough of that one. You had enough of that one. You had enough of that one. And you need to reset for your to understand more of who you are and what you really want, because yung again definition of what is success and what is not is different from every one of us. And you want to okay, this is one to you want to have a clean slate. A clean slate. So what's hanging now is the stage of when do you want to have that rebirth and the change that you want to have. There's no other way. Kapag ganito yung sinabi ng universe, it will happen. This is very karmic. This is very karmic. So it's gonna happen soon. I don't see the tower here. Yeah, but there's a shift and it's transforming. You need to adapt to that one. You just need a different perspective, Capricorn here. And if that's what scares you, because nasa hangman mode ka, yan siya oh. It will give the light and the shine and the whatever truth you are trying to prove or you want to achieve. It's not about proving, because naano ka na eh oh. You know what you're doing. You don't need to prove anything. I think it's more about self-proof to yourself that what you're doing is right. Yeah, very good Kung ano man ito, August 22 to 31 Capricorn, this is a sana all, but I don't want to go through that pace of this stage. This is very painful also. This is very painful, and this one is a very painful one. This is, you need all the energy that you can have sa Capricorn. Connect with your heart space. Yeah. Tignan natin, kuha ko ng oracle card. Tignan natin winner itong si Capricorn dito. Tignan natin kung ano yung sinasabi ng moon. Oracle card. Capricorn. Ano ang message ng oracle card kay Capricorn? Kuha tayo ng isa. Quick one. Oops. Oh, okay. I've been talking about Sagittarius. Saying Sagittarius. Ito oh. May message si Sagittarius sa'yo. Capricorn. Capricorn reading ito Oh, be prepared to be adaptable as plans you have laid may take an unexpected course. Oh, walang walang halong hocus pocus, binigay nung baraha. Di ba, I've been telling to you about this transformation. Hindi, merong status quo. Okay? Ito yung tipo na, masaya ka naman wala namang problema doon. Bakit kailangan bumili ng bagong kotse? You can go to point A to point Z. Kaso yung kotse naging electric car na, but you're still using. Ganun itong tipo. So, you need to have a perspective, a new one. Sabi, be prepared to be adaptable. You need to adapt. Ang nagsabi niyan si Sagittarius Capricorn. Yeah, okay. So, August 22 to 31 So, yeah, sana all enjoy. Shout out ka kung ano man ito. Magkwentuhan tayo, Capricorn. So, enjoy the weekend. Salamat po.